Space technologies play a vital role in the smooth running of our day. Thanks to spacecraft, we can find our way and communicate anywhere in the world, discover the mysteries of the universe, manage resources, and respond to humanitarian disasters. It's also a vital tool for the armed forces, and 2023 has been a busy year. Space journalist and ITN reporter Katie Haswell has been looking at some of the highlights.
What's the universe made of? And is there life outside Earth? Two of the biggest questions in space science took a step closer to finding answers this year. The European Space Agency's Jupiter Icy Moons explorer JUICE began its 8-year journey to search for signs of alien life on the gas giant's ice-covered moons. And ESA's Euclid telescope started its 6-year mission to investigate the cosmic mysteries of dark matter and dark energy by creating a 3D map of the universe across space and time. Meanwhile, the James Webb Space Telescope continues sending back jaw-dropping images and unexpected discoveries about our universe. The chemicals Webb found in this planet's atmosphere might just indicate some form of life on planet K2-18b. Webb rode into space on board an Ariane-5 rocket on Christmas Day 2021 from the Guiana Space Center.
And I have to tell you, there is just such a buzz of excitement here in the Mission Control Center. It's a remarkable feeling.
And this year, Europe said goodbye to its much-loved workhorse.
The mighty Ariane-5 is hanging up her boots and retiring to hand over to her younger sister.
3, 2, unité. Top, allumage moteur Vulcain.
The last ever Ariane-5 lifted off from the pad after 27 years of loyal service.
Propulsion nominale.
Her successor, Ariane 6, has undergone trial by fire with successful hot-firing tests of 2 engines, bringing Europe's newest rocket a step closer to her maiden launch. Sadly, Virgin Orbit's attempt to launch a rocket from Spaceport Cornwall on board a converted Boeing 747 was unsuccessful. But plans to launch satellites from UK soil are progressing apace, with various spaceports in development. Looking down from space is vital for understanding our planet. In September, the UK rejoined the European Space Agency's Copernicus programme of satellites monitoring Earth's environment and contributing to disaster management. And in October, the world saw the first ever space debris find. Space junk is a growing problem. Even an object the size of a coin can rip through a satellite and create a dangerous chain reaction of fragments. The US Federal Communications Commission fined Dish Network $150,000 over its failure to de-orbit its satellite. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission collected rock and dust from asteroid Bennu and brought it back to Earth, offering scientists a window of time from the ancient universe. And as one capsule landed, another spacecraft lifted off. NASA launched its mission to the metal-rich asteroid Psyche, over 2 billion miles away. The international race to the moon is in full force. India became the first to successfully land a spacecraft near the lunar South Pole, where it's thought there might be frozen water. Closer to Earth, the race to develop commercial space stations is also hotting up.
Right now we have 2 space stations with people living on board. There's the International Space Station and the Chinese space station Tiangong.
But over the next few years, at least 3 other commercial companies are going to start building their space stations. One of them is Axiom. They're working with the UK Space Agency to take an all-British crew to the International Space Station. They're also partnering with the fashion brand Prada to design NASA's spacesuits for the moon. With advances in robotics and miniaturization, humanity is on the cusp of a new era, with space becoming even more accessible and open to all.